Good day, everyone. I am here to tackle you about the insane lore of Tekken. Disclaimer, these are all fiction and also spoilers alert. Yung mga sasabihin ko later on is yung summary ng Tekken series, yung storyline niya and focuses on the main storyline, particularly the Mishima clan. Before we start, let me introduce to you your reporter for today. I am Bless Angela Motibo, Nabika Ed 1 student, and I am a fan of Tekken series since grade 8. Before ko mo ingon sa storyline, mo ingon sa ko kung unsay Tekken, kay dagha may dili familiar na game. Tekken is a Japanese media franchise center of a series of fighting games developed and published by Bandai Namco Entertainment, or formerly Namco. It was first released on September 21, 1994. So almost 30 years na ang Tekken franchise. It is one of the most best-selling fighting games franchise in gaming history, along with Street Fighter and Mortal Kombat. Did you know that this series was entered into the Guinness World Records in 2017 for having both the longest running video game storyline and longest running consistent video game universe? And speaking of storyline, there are 8 installments na ko-connect sa main storyline. Before I forget the statement, this storyline contains violence. This is all fictional. Nagbibigay po ako ng warning, spoilers alert. Alright, let's start tackling about the Tekken series. The story started when Kazuya Mishima was thrown into a ravine by his father Hihachi when he was 5 years old. Kazuya survived from some unknown power. Kana siya na unknown power was also called the Devil Gene. That gave him immense strength and a thirst for revenge. 21 years later, Hihachi announced the first King of Iron Fist tournament. Fighters around the world are joining for two reasons: defeating Hihachi and the prize money, which is high. Fueled by hatred, Kazuya enters the tournament to exact his revenge. In the final battle, Kazuya faces his father. After a grueling battle for hours, Kazuya wins with the help of his power, the devil. As his father's body lay to the ground, Kazuya lifted the body and let go into the same cliff where he was thrown by his father. Kazuya is now the head of the Mishima Saibatsu. 2 years have passed. The Mishima Saibatsu under Kazuya's leadership was become even more powerful, reaching to all corners of the world. After defeating his father, Kazuya disappears into the shadow. This may lead na parang may something sa na hindi maganda. Sometime later, a message is relayed from the Mishima Saibatsu fortress to news agencies all over the world announcing the second tournament with a prize na mas malaki kaysa sa first tournament. Sometime around na survive ni Hihachi ang fall katulad ni Kazuya thanks sa kanyang supernatural endurance. Sumali si Hihachi sa The King of Iron Fist 2 para ma-reclaim niya ang Mishima Saibatsu at ma-dispose niya si Kazuya. May isang babae na nangangalan June Kazama, isang wildlife protection agency, ay sumali sa tournament 2 para i-end ang illegal smuggling ng Mishima Saibatsu. As the tournament comes to a close, na-realize ni June na ang supernatural ability ni Kazuya comes from the Deva or devil. During the tournament, nagko-close ang dalawa at may anak ang dalawa. Several days later, naglaban si Kazuya at si Heihachi. Eventually, nalo si Heihachi at na-regain niya ang kontrol ng Mishima Zaibatsu. Tinapon ni Heihachi ang body ni Kazuya sa volcano. Niole jud si Jun sa Yakushima, muniyang hometown. Dito niya isinilang ang kanilang anak ni Kazuya. Jin ang pangalan niya. She raised him in the mountains, teaching him her family fighting style as he grew up. Jun raised him alone. 15 years na nakalipas, Heihachi sets about to further increase his power, but the search ended in failure. Jun sends an unknown present knowing na naging target siya, knowing na anong mangyayari sa kanya. Sinasabi ni Jun kay Jin ang lahat. Apel ang iyang past. She also said na if may nangyayari sa kanya, pumunta siya sa kanyang lolo, which is si Heihachi Mishima. Tama ang hinala ni Jun, pumunta si Orc. Niingon si Jun ni Jin na mudagan siya, pero si Jin nilaban siya against ni Orc og napilde. Pagmata ni Jin na abo na ilang balay og ningita si Jin siya mama, pero wala niya nakitaan. Niyato si Jin kay Heihachi og iyaging na siyang anak ni Kazuya. With further ado, gitrain ni Heihachi si Jin sa iyang family fighting style. 4 years later, in-announce ni Heihachi ang The King of Iron Fist Tournament 3. Jin enters with the intention na papatayin niya si Orc at paghiganti niya ang pagkawala ng kanyang mama. After Jin defeated Orc, he was shot by Heihachi. As his life slipped away, Jin transforms into a devil. Upon his transformation, he struck down Heihachi and nilupad siya. Sometime later, nangita si Heihachi sa whereabouts ni Jin pero he failed. However, he discovered a photograph na na-stirred sa iyang curiosity. Convinced na ang naa sa picture kay si Kazuya, Heihachi searched for the body. As nakahibaw ni Heihachi na naang lawas ni Kazuya sa G-Corp, iyang gi-use ang iya force para i-raid ang G-Corp. Pero na-fail kay gidefeat ni Kazuya tanan. Daan nakahibaw ni Heihachi na buhi pa si Kazuya. 2 years have passed, nag-announce na Mishima Zaibatsu sa The King of Iron Fist 4. Bisag na aware si Kazuya na trap rato, ni-appeal si Kazuya para i-defeat niya si Heihachi. During the tournament, naka-receive si Kazuya ng message stated na siya ang nanalo by default. He sensed that si Jin na sa kamay ni Heihachi. He headed to the final stage. During the final stage, naglaban si Kazuya og si Jin na daog. Ni-enter si Heihachi og naglaban silang duha ni Jin. During sa lalaban, giadap ni Jin ang Deva. Just as iya gi-attack si Heihachi, na-control ni Jin ang iya body o nilupad siya. Suddenly, nag-interrupt ang mga Jack robots. Na-surprise bigla si Kazuya at Heihachi and begin battling as a team for the first time. Wow! During the battle, however, Kazuya betrays his father, throwing him into the path of army of robots and escapes. Seconds later, the robot explodes, destroying Honmaru. This leadily reports that Heihachi Mishima is dead. However, the explosion broke the ground, which led to the rubble and therefore enabled a demon to take over and revived Jipachi Mishima, Heihachi's father, Kazuya's grandfather, and Jin's great-grandfather. Jinpachi broke free from the rubble of Honmaru and took control of the Mishima Saibatsu. A month later, he announced the opening of the King of Iron Fist Tournament 5. To conclude the King of Iron Fist Tournament 5, Jin Kazama is the winner. He took control of the Mishima Saibatsu. Under Jin's leadership, he declared the Mishima Saibatsu an independent nation and waged war against the entire world to awaken an ancient demon. He believed killing the demon would remove his devil curse. On the other side, Kazuya discovered that the G-Corp betrayed him. He then eliminates them and takes control of G-Corp and uses to counter the Mishima Saibatsu. Furthermore, Heihachi Mishima seeks to reclaim the Mishima Saibatsu, having been unconscious throughout the King of Iron Fist Tournament 5. Meanwhile, among the ranks of a Tekken force, a soldier named Lars Alexanderson has begun a rebellion. He established a rebel army, Yggdrasil, with the intention of putting an end to the Zaibatsu Wars. By the way, Lars is an illegitimate child of Heihachi Mishima. Using G-Corp's popularity, Kazuya puts a bounty on Jin's head, dead or alive. Almost na pa as if na response siya, the Mishima Zaibatsu announces the King of Iron Fist Tournament 6. During the tournament, Lars tracked Jin to some ruins of Middle East where he witnessed the resurrection of the demon known as Azazel. Jin fulfilled his plan and defeated Azazel to save the world. After the battle, nawala si Jin. Na-discover ni Heihachi na nawala si Jin after nag-clash silang duha ni Azazel. He decided to rule the Mishima Zaibatsu once again. As soon as he gained control of the financial group, Heihachi announces the King of Iron Fist Tournament 7. On the other hand, Lars managed to locate Jin's whereabouts and rescue him. They laid low in their hideout, waiting for a chance to go on the offensive. Before long, nagka-intense na ang laban ng Mishima Zaibatsu at G Corporation. And the time came to an end, the conflict between nila Heihachi at Kazuya. After an intense battle, Kazuya managed to punch Heihachi to death and throws him in a lava river. In the end, naka-recover si Jin. After Heihachi's death, Jin vows to stop Kazuya once and for all. Yggdrasil intended to take out Kazuya. On Lars' orders, Jin confronts his father in New York City. During the fight, Jin fails to maintain control of the Devil Jin and ultimately loses to Kazuya. 1 week later, Jin is unable to access the Devil Jin. He believes that he will regain his ability to use his devil powers if he is put at risk of death, leading to enter the King of Iron Fist Tournament 8. 3 days later, Jin encounters Reina, ang kalaban niya sa semis. Thanks sa attack ni Reina, his devil power briefly reawakens. In the end, ni-surrender si Reina. Mikalit og enter si Warang sa ring. Naglaban ang duha og once again, Jin's devil powers awakens. In response to it, he is able to defeat Warang. Moments later, we join si Reina sa ilang side. The next stage of the King of Iron Fist tournament is held in the Colosseum in Italy. Yggdrasil and UN forces surround the Colosseum. After Jin defeats his opponent, Kazuya appears and captures Safina. Gikuha ni Kazuya ang naa kay Safina para ma-expel si Azazel gikan niya. As na-appear si Azazel in the physical form, Kazuya managed to defeat Azazel and forces to be part of him. Following what Zafina said, Jin leaves for Yakushima with Xiaoyu accompanying him. Fighters stay at the Coliseum to hold Kazuya off. This made Kazuya to become unstable and flees to recuperate. While at Yakushima, Jin's body falters as he hears a lullaby from his childhood. Xiaoyu protects the unconscious Jin as she fights against the Jack 7 robots. Yggdrasil and Yuen are facing Kazuya once again. He used lasers to inflict massive damage to the ground. Reina purposely stands in the path of one of these layers, taking the full force of it. Kazuya senses Jin's location and heads straight for him. Kazuya and Lars both reach Xiaoyu, who has managed to hold Jack 7 robots. Lars fights Kazuya. Meanwhile, Jin faces his devil form on a plane of his subconscious. He accepts, thanks it, and apologizes for misunderstanding its intentions previously. The purpose of the alter ego of Jin is to protect him. Jin awakens to save Lars from the path of one of Kazuya's lasers. Jin fights Kazuya in his own devil form. As Kazuya intends to destroy Yakushima with his massive attack, Jin holds the attack off, even if he must die doing so. He has a vision of his mother, Jun Kazama. They talk about how he needs to protect the ones that he loves and he's capable of protecting others. Shortly after their moment, Jin assumes a new form, Angel Jin, to save himself and Kazuya. In his new form, Jin is able to redirect Kazuya's attack to the ocean, saving Yakushima. Angel Jin and Devil Kazuya fight again. Throughout this fight, both Jin and Kazuya are purified of their devil fictions. With their devil powers gone, they continue their fight. Jin is able to use all his teaching as well as the determination to protect those he cares about to defeat Kazuya. Jin leaves Kazuya unconscious as he goes and regroups with his loved ones. Later, Jun appears to find Kazuya's unconscious form. Later still, it is revealed that Reina understands Heihachi Mishima to be her father. She has given her the ability to take on in a devil form. I hope na understand nyo a little bit about sa storyline ng Tekken. Thank you for listening and see you soon!